On many small machines, it is more economical to just replace a faulty carburetor with a new one instead of rebuilding. In this video, we will show how to replace the carburetor on a Husqvarna 128CD trimmer with a quality Hipa replacement. Only two tools are needed for this job: an 8mm socket with driver or socket wrench, and a pair of fuel line or needle nose pliers. We'll begin by removing the air filter cover and box. Our example here is missing an air filter, so we will be sure to replace that with one from our Hipa all-in-one kit. Use the 8mm socket for the nuts holding the airbox and carb. Pull off the fuel line and return line and make note of their order. Next, remove the throttle cable by pulling the carb backward and removing the cable from its slip-on post, and then detaching the cable as shown. Hipa all-in-one kits come with premium carburetors that are an exact fit and pre-adjusted to run straight out of the box. Replace your worn-out gasket with a new one, and the rest of the installation is the reverse of the disassembly. Once you have connected the throttle cable, test it with the throttle lever to make sure it has full movement and is not binding. Reconnect the fuel lines in the correct order. And then install the airbox, our new air filter, and cover. If you like this kind of short and to-the-point how-to video, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification below. Hipa has a full line of parts and accessories for your small machines, including our exclusive all-in-one kits. Visit us at hipastore.com.